Another day, another story. 3. Disclaimer: nothing in our videos constitutes as financial advice. All information, opinions and suggestions are for education and entertainment only. Do competitive research. Now that you know what you're going to sell in your store, you want to look at who your competitors are and understand the way they work. Your competitors may hold great clues to success and can help you build a stronger marketing plan for your dropshipping business. If your market has a lot of competitors, which is a good thing in dropshipping, limit your research to about 5 other dropshipping companies, including 1 or 2 big players like Walmart, eBay, or Amazon. It'll help you keep focused and plan your next steps. Some ways to go about your competitor research are: run a Google search. Search engines are an obvious starting point. Use Google to build a list of your top 5 competitors. Start with key search terms in a simple search, like earplugs. The top 10 results will show you who your top competitors are and how they are promoting their products. If you want to focus on a specific country, you can use a third-party tool like RFs or SEMrush to find keyword data in those areas. Use competitor spy tools like SimilarWeb and Alexa. Online tools like these are great for finding and keeping track of your competitors' online activity. They give you a list of competitor website information, such as their social media profiles, top traffic sources, number of visitors, and who their competitors are. Browse social media. Search for Facebook ads in your niche and check out the top brands in the market. Look at how the business communicates with its customers, how its feed is designed, how much engagement it gets. You can even follow its feed to never miss a beat. Use this information to find ways for your business to stand out and improve your social media marketing strategy. Subscribe to competitors' email lists. Want competitors' updates straight to your inbox? Sign up for their email list and get a look inside their marketing strategy. You can also learn more about the promotions and deals they use to entice customers to buy. Learn everything you can about your top competitors, their website, prices, marketing methods, product descriptions, reputation, etc. Keep your research organized in a spreadsheet so you can easily refer to it when making decisions for your store. For example, if you want to use email marketing to promote your business, you can look to your spreadsheet to see if competitors are already doing it and the tactics they're using, all in one place. Let's continue in the next video.